Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Capify Business Loans. Review my usage experience. Capify Business Loans Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to research and compare business loans from different lenders. Its main purpose is to help small business owners find suitable financing options based on their needs and creditworthiness. Key features likely include loan comparison tools, lender profiles, and educational resources. Their website provides details on the specific features and services offered. Their website highlights ease of use and a focus on transparency. They claim to compare loans from a wide range of lenders, helping businesses avoid the time-consuming process of searching individually. They emphasize the importance of finding the best rates and terms, suggesting a competitive advantage in helping users navigate potentially complex financial agreements. Availability is presumably nationwide for US-based businesses, but this should be checked on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Capify Business Loans. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. The website's design is clean and intuitive. I simply answered a few questions about my business and financial needs. The interface was incredibly easy to navigate. I quickly found comparison charts highlighting interest rates, loan amounts, and repayment terms from different lenders. The speed was impressive, the results were almost instantaneous. I was able to filter the results based on criteria like loan type, amount, and repayment period, which was extremely helpful. I had a quick question about a specific lender's eligibility requirements and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how customizable the search was. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed lender profiles, which included reviews and ratings. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited number of lenders featured compared to other similar services. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Capify Business Loans Review. It simplified the process of comparing business loan options significantly, saving me considerable time and effort. That's my overview of Capify Business Loans Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.